I bet you know where we are. This is the third time I've been by this intersection. We're back here at North 90th Street and Shea Boulevard. I wonder why I'm back here again. Well, I didn't think those Campbell buns were gonna last. And guess what I came back to? They've been replaced again. This time they have Polara iDS buttons installed. Finally, I get to find out what these sound like. And judging on how that one sounds, it does not make any other noise besides whatever it says. So we're about to test it.
Wait to cross 90th Street. Wait.
You're gonna give me the walk signal?
Wait to cross 90th Street. Wait.
It doesn't tell you the full message, it just says wait to cross 90th Street.
90th. Walk sign is on to cross 90th. Wait.
It did the walk sign twice. I can't believe they replaced them again. These talk now.
Wait to cross Shea Boulevard. Wait.
Hey, that's me.
Wait to cross Shea Boulevard. Wait.
Well, at least we know what the 64th Street one is, and those were the oldest ones to ever exist.
Wait to cross Shea Boulevard. Wait. Shea Boulevard. Wait to cross 90th Street. 12, 11, 10, 9.
I'm not touching this one. This one's already.
7, 6.
Interesting thing is these buttons were installed later. All right.
1. Wait to cross 90th Street. Wait.
I'm gonna have to go around one more time.
Wait to cross 90th Street. Wait. 90th. Walk sign is on to cross 90th.
17-second countdown. That's where the Campbell buttons used to be, and they installed these ones up higher.
Wait to cross Shea Boulevard. Wait. 1. Wait to cross Shea Boulevard. Wait.
I can't believe after all this time, these buttons went from Polara EN2/EN4/EasyCom buttons to Campbell AGPS newer style. Now they've been replaced with Polara iDS or iDetect buttons.
Wait to cross Shea Boulevard. Wait.
Finally, I have more category things to name on here.
Wait to cross Shea Boulevard. Wait.
Come on, hurry up,
Wait.
button. You can keep saying wait, but I need to go.
Shea Boulevard. Walk sign is on to cross Shea. Wait.
Doesn't even fully finish. I'm coming back over 20 seconds. These also count down now. They used to never talk in terms of the countdown. The Campbell ones did, but the Polara ones never. The Polara EN2s never did. That's it.